Today, I'd like to introduce you to two new accessories designed for the installation of mobile printers in different working environments. The first accessory is the Quick Release Vehicle Mount Kit, which allows the printer to be easily attached and detached to and from the vehicle mount within seconds. The plate is screwed to the back of the printer, and the adapter can be attached to other extensions depending on the application requirements. It can be screwed to third-party mounts such as RAM mounts to keep your options open, or it can be attached to our external fanfold media holder for fanfold media applications. The kit includes a full media box, a bracket to attach a quick-release tether, and a fixture to secure the bracket to the vehicle. The design of the feature is flexible and allows the printer to be attached to vehicles of different types. The quick-release design allows mobile printers to be detached easily and taken elsewhere when necessary, providing great flexibility for multitasking environments. Both the mount kit and fanfold media holder are compatible with our new generation Alpha Series mobile printers. Different models of printer can be mounted using these two accessories. For more information, visit tscprinters.com.